If you feel like homeschooling still feels a lot like school, you're not failing. You're just trapped in a system you were trained to recreate. And it's not your kids that need deschooling first, it's you. I'm not just a homeschool mom. I was a former teacher. I knew how to teach a classroom, but I didn't know how to teach my own daughter at home. I did everything I thought I was supposed to do: textbooks, schedules, grades, recreate school just at the kitchen table. And guess what? It didn't work. My daughter wasn't thriving, she was surviving. And honestly, so was I. That's when I realized the problem wasn't my child. It was the mindset that I was carrying. I needed to be deschooled. Deschooling isn't about abandoning structure. It's about rebuilding it around something that actually matters: real world experiences, family connection, core skills that stick because they're rooted in life, not worksheets. That's why I built the Beyond the Four Walls framework, a system that doesn't just replace school, it redefines education. We enhance core academics, anchor learning in everyday life, and guide families through the mindset shifts needed to homeschool with freedom, confidence, and joy. If you're tired of feeling like you're just doing school at home, if you know in your gut that there's a better way to raise learners, leaders, and creators, I'm here to help you unlearn what's holding you back and rebuild something better, because real life is the curriculum, and your home doesn't have to look like a classroom to raise a world changer.